Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Zodizach, host of the Average Files podcast. Today, what I want to talk to you guys about is files, all right? File type, file size, all right? And why it's important to you. Why it should be important for you if you're building something on a website, okay? Google just recently reiterated in their Google I/O 21, that was a virtual that just took place this last weekend, that your load speed and that your Google ranking is going to be affected by your load speed, okay? Load speed, what directly is related to load speed is the content on your website, okay? The types of files that your website has to render and has to paint in order to pull up for the user to see, okay? And how you design your website and those files that you save, that you use to publish on your website is going to affect the load speed. So if you want to rank higher in the Google rankings, if you want your website to be seen by more users, if you want to get more traffic, what you want to do is you want to maximize your load speed, okay? There's nothing worse than showing up to a website that takes 10 seconds to load, right? At that point, you just bounce, you go back, you go to the next website, and that website loads in 2 seconds and you're in, right? So today we're going to talk about JPEG and PNG. These are the two most common file types that you're going to be using when you produce your web content. Okay, most of the images here are PNG and JPEG, or a compressed file type. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys how you can make these graphics with Photoshop and with Canva today. Okay, and you can make these really cool graphics that'll save you some speed. You know, if you can dial in and you can go back and update your website and you can compress some of those files, or look at the file size. Go actually look at the file size, see if you can actually, if that PNG could be a JPEG, save you some space there, and yeah, so let's get into it today. So we're gonna go straight over to Photoshop, okay? And what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring in this picture of yours truly here. All right, sweet, there we go. And we're gonna go ahead and get this thing all squared away. And we're going to select the inverse, and then we're going to use the eraser on this guy, which is me. And we're going to bring that up to about 400. Okay. Single time. Okay. And then I just erase, I go around erasing stuff. Okay. There we go. Let's bring this eraser, make it small again. Okay. And we're going to zoom in on this feller right here in this area. And we're going to clean it up a little bit. Deselect now so we can erase more of this stuff here. Get rid of these crazy wild hairs. Okay. There we go. And you know what? There we go. Okay. There's the image. Okay. There I am. And I'm going to kind of bring this over here to the side like that. Okay. Now, the thing is with the PNG and Photoshop, what you're going to have to do is you're going to click on the background here and you're going to delete it. Okay, and you have the checkerboard background here now. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to go to File, and we're going to go to Save As, save on my computer. I like to save to my desktop when I'm working with a file here. And you see here it says PNG. Let's name this. Zach back. Zach back. There we go. Zach blue shirt. We'll just leave it at that. Okay, we're going to save it to the desktop. And we're going to save it to the smallest size. Okay. So, where'd it go? There it is. Here's our PNG. Now we're going to go over to Canva. Okay. And we're going to do let's just make, we'll do a YouTube thumbnail because I usually use this for my for everything. I just create YouTube thumbnails for everything, or Instagram square post. I want to upload media from device, desktop, and what we want is this one right here. And if you could see over here, that black background's no longer there. It's because it's a PNG file, okay? I have a few more already cut out. I showed you guys how to cut them out. So now what we're going to do is we are going to turn this into the color that we want. It's my podcast yellow here, okay? I'm just going to drag this in here. Look, there I am. I'm in it. I'm in it to win it. And then what we'll do is this. There we go. And I've already uploaded some more of these PNGs here. Look at this is a coffee one that I did. And then I also have my logo. Bring the logo in. How those work together. There we go. And then we're going to download this, right? We're not going to use a PNG on this one. We're going to go with JPEG. And this one here, it says right here, small file size image. That's what we want. If we can get that to be even smaller, that would have been great. We download that. Okay. Here we go. There's the image. Now what we can do is change the image, upload from downloads. And there it is, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna refresh. And there we are. So I hope you guys kind of found some value in this tutorial real quick, all right? So we learned how to make a PNG in Photoshop. We took that over to Canva. We created a custom graphic really quick, use that as a JPEG, and imported that into our website as a header for our website, okay? Remember, file size matter when it comes to load speed, okay? Don't forget that. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this tutorial of the Average Files Podcast.